Hey, thrill chasers! Are you ready to unleash pure adrenaline? Brace yourself for heart-stopping chases, gravity-defying stunts, and the most electrifying moments ever caught on film. This is your ultimate ticket to the rush you've been craving. So gear up, hold on tight, and let's ignite the excitement like never before. On April 24, 2024, a deputy from the Cobra unit was out on a routine patrol when something caught his eyes: a vehicle with a test drive tag. In Georgia, these tags are illegal on public roads.
I'll be in pursuit, Norman Drive, Crystal Lake.
Yeah, Norman Drive, Crystal Lake.
Right on the Crystal Lake. It's like they're ready to beat you up. Crossing over Sherman Drive, going towards 285.
Cross Sherman Drive, what's the
Extraction. Crossing over Kingsville Circle at this time, towards we're going to be going towards the building. Making a left on Sherman Drive at McDonald's. We're going to be going towards 85. We just need is at 85. It's about 4 feet.
They're going to flank to 85. They can flank on 4 circle 85.
Whoever this is behind me, I need you to come out.
As the deputy attempted to initiate a traffic stop, the driver didn't pull over. Instead, the vehicle accelerated and took off, kicking off a high-speed chase through the streets of Riverdale. The deputy, now in pursuit, quickly closed the gap and performed a pit maneuver, which caused the suspect's vehicle to flip and come to a stop. The maneuver trapped the suspects inside the vehicle, ending the chase.
20 miles per hour.
How the fuck is going now?
Well, what I was notified.
How the fuck is going now? Boy, you see me? You stupid motherfucker. Put your fucking hands up. Hey, there's another one in there. Crossfire, crossfire.
Miraculously, both suspects were unharmed and taken into custody without further incident. Upon searching the suspects, a small amount of marijuana was found on one of the men, adding to the list of charges they would face. On September 28, 2024, a gray Dodge Ram was speeding at 107 miles per hour in a 60 miles per hour zone. The driver swerved into traffic and even ran a red light.
They stopped. B30 Commerce. 1037. Be Arkansas 028, Union King 0. Be a great Dodge Ram.
10-4, John 463.
The officer decided to end the pursuit with a tactical vehicle intervention, which forced the truck to spin out and hit a utility pole.
TVI.
The crash downed power lines and caused significant damage, but the driver survived. Officers found an open bottle of whiskey and signs of intoxication in the truck. The suspect resisted medical personnel, but was eventually taken into custody and charged with fleeing, reckless driving. On August 21, 2024, Deputy J initiated a traffic stop on I-285 East. While traveling on I-285, Deputy House observed a silver BMW speeding and weaving through traffic recklessly. The vehicle's tag, which belonged to a Cadillac Escalade,
cleared from rock there. That tank is up there, escalate. Spinning around to get up to 85 now.
Alright, radio, I'm in pursuit. We're out coming up to Jonesboro Road.
Deputy House attempted to stop the vehicle, but the driver, identified as Matthew Wilson, sped off, reaching over 120 miles per hour.
Right now. Yeah, I'm trying to. I'm waiting for a good spot. Watch him, Tarzan. Passing Moore Road.
Come on,
Cover 10, what's your location?
that's right, 5. Couple minutes and forward, rest of the catch up.
Alright, we're passing Smithfield Avenue. Alright, he's turning right onto Cedar Grove. We're coming back toward the county now. Somebody could get to Moreland Avenue. He may go that way.
That's 1 hour, 4, we're gonna get that way.
Passing East Conley.
Yeah, okay, he's calling.
One more, cover 3.
We're coming up to a roundabout now.
He nearly collided with a motorcycle before reaching a dead end at Cedar Grove and Bonsall Ard. As Wilson tried to turn around, Deputy House pushed the vehicle into a ditch and ordered Wilson to stop at gunpoint.
Alright, dead end at Bonsall Drive. He's about to bush bomb. Hit. Put your hands up! Hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Hey, put your hands up! Bonsall Road, he just pulled out of the grass now. We're going back eastbound on Cedar Grove Road, Bowman Industrial Court.
Wilson then backed out and fled again.
Going up to East Conley Road.
He's calling.
So you go back towards 285, I'm trying to cut you out right now.
No, we went southbound. We're coming up to Fork Creek Church Road.
drive.
The Deputy J House conducted a pit maneuver on a bridge, causing the vehicle to spin and crash into a guardrail.
Panthersville coming up to Oakvale Road. Don't move! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! I got another pit Oakvale vehicle. Use your left hand and undo your seatbelt. Put him back on the steering wheel.
After Wilson was pinned against the guardrail, Deputy House approached, ordered Wilson out, and arrested him. Wilson was found to have a suspended license and was taken to the hospital for hip pain. On August 28, 2020, Trooper Blaine Middlecoff stopped a car with expired Florida tags on I-555 in Arkansas.
Dr. Middlecoff of the Arkansas State Police. Reason why I'm pulling you over, your tags on the rental car show to be expired. Did they tell you anything about that or when it was going to be expired?
No, sir.
Where y'all head to?
I'm just
Head to Jonesboro?
Yes, sir.
Where y'all coming from?
coming from Memphis, Tennessee.
Coming from Memphis?
Yes, sir.
Gotcha. Alright, man, reason why I have you stepping out, I can smell weed in the car. You got weed in the car?
I smoked before I even left Memphis.
Okay. Alright, so there's none in there?
No, sir.
Alright, because I'm going to search. So if you have something there, just tell me, man. I'll work with you.
Yes, sir.
Is there anything in the car?
No, sir. No, sir, there's nothing in the car. I smoked before I left Memphis. Yes, sir.
Okay. She smoked too, or?
No, sir.
And how long ago did you leave?
I left literally, I don't know what time it is right now, but I left around 2:30.
6:27?
I left around 2:30. It's been raining. I've been off and on stopping.
Okay. All right, man.
Smelling marijuana, he questioned the occupants. The driver admitted to smoking earlier, while the passenger denied having drugs, but eventually handed over a bag of
You got weed
marijuana.
to put in her pants?
No, sir, I gave her a bag. It shouldn't have no weed in it.
Got weed in it.
I didn't know. It shouldn't be nothing.
Man, I've been doing this for a long
I'm just
time.
letting you know, sir. It shouldn't be nothing but crumbs in there. I'm just letting you know. I smoked before we left.
Okay, y'all scared? There's no reason to be scared.
Yes, sir, I understand. I'm just letting you know that we smoked.
Is there anything else in the car?
No, sir.
Hang tight.
A search revealed a loaded rifle and a 40-round magazine. As Trooper Middlecoff attempted to detain the driver, he fled, sparking a high-speed chase at up to 130 miles per hour.
Don't move! Stay right here. Hold on. He's got that gun. Go. Threw it out. No, that's his weed. I see him. y'all northbound or southbound? God damn it. Southbound. Pull it back over! Pull to the shoulder. Pull to the shoulder. Pull to the shoulder.
After multiple pit maneuvers, the suspect was stopped and arrested.
Give your damn hand! Hear me? Got your Romeo! Got your Romeo! Okay! Shut up! Shut up! What the hell you run from me? Give me your hand!
The search uncovered 168 grams of marijuana, over $7,000 in cash, and more loaded firearms. The driver, Randy Blackburn, faced multiple felony charges, while the passenger, Maddie, fled and remains at large. On June 8, 2024, dispatch notified officers that the Lowell Police Department was in pursuit of a white Jeep Renegade heading northbound on HWI 71B towards Rogers. The suspect vehicle turned south onto Dixieland, traveling at a slow speed. A tactical vehicle intervention was performed on the driver's side, causing the vehicle to stop on the east side of Dixieland, facing west. The suspect reversed into a field to escape.
Who's on the radio? Seven. Florida, going southbound, 64. Primary northbound on Dixieland. Yeah, por tibia.
Two more TBIs were performed on Olive near 24th, but the suspect kept driving. On 24th Sate, the suspect attempted a U-turn, leading to a ramming of the driver's side, deploying the airbag.
Continue eastbound, you're going to need to go north on North 24th Street. There's stop right there, 24th and Olive. Yeah, Marcus.
Somebody get that car up on that car. Now. Hey, I promise I'm gonna shoot the fucking thing. Hey, I'm gonna drive on your ass.
At this point, the suspect was blocked in by officers from Lowell Police and Benton County Sheriff's Office. The driver was taken into custody.
You listening now?
On May 5, 2020, Trooper H Dispatch notified that Sebastian County was pursuing a stolen vehicle near Nickeltown. The suspect had rammed a deputy's vehicle and brandished a firearm. The vehicle was spotted near Browntown Ard, moving through private property, SH-10 and US 71.
Running about 89 right now. I don't know. We ain't come up on the crossroad yet.
H7, how far are you behind 13?
Okay, you and me. I can see it.
Page 13, 1050.
Fort Smith, I'm 1050.
Okay.
Fort Smith, I'm 1050. I've rear-ended her. She slammed on her brakes on me. This Comer Lane, I believe, is a dead end. She just turned down.
10-4, that is a dead end.
At a rock quarry near the SH-10 intersection, the vehicle was intercepted but fled northbound. On Cedar Valley Road, the suspect forced a deputy off the road and continued fleeing.
Oh, he's backing up, Fort Smith.
Copy, backing up.
1037, Fort Smith. Primary now.
Copy, 1037, primary H7.
Passing shadow light, Fort Smith.
We copy, passing shadow light.
After repeatedly slamming on the brakes, causing a collision with a pursuing unit, the chase moved through Residential Street. The pursuit ended on US 71 with a pit maneuver, and the suspect was taken into custody.
Ten 4.